Welcome to our IBM I tutorial. Today, we're diving into the %MAXARR built-in function, a powerful tool for working with arrays. %MAXARR returns the index of the maximum value in an array, or a subsection of the array, defined by start index and number of elements. Let's walk through an example to understand it better. First, we define an array ARR1 containing city names, Kolkata, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai. Now, using the %MAXARR function, we can find the index of the maximum value in this array. In our example, char1 equals ARR1% max ARR ARR1 retrieves the city name with the maximum alphabetical order. After executing this line, char1 will contain Pune, the city name that come last alphabetical among the cities listed. And there you have it. The %MAXARR function simplifies finding the maximum value in an array or a segment of it, making data manipulation in IBM I efficient and straightforward. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %MAXARR built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. Happy coding!